Hi everyone, it's Jamie. Welcome back. And if you're new here, welcome. Thank you for clicking on this video. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button because I would love to have you. So this Dollar Tree haul has mostly Christmas items, but I did find a couple of different random sort of things that I had never seen before at my Dollar Tree. So I'm going to go ahead and get started and show you guys what I found. And I'm going to go ahead and start off with the sort of random items. But anyway, they had this, and I've never seen this at my Dollar Tree. It is the Armor All Disinfectant 3-in-1 Cleaner. And I know they do carry the Armor All stuff in the little mini bottles in the automotive section. But this was back in the where the cleaners and stuff is, like the the dish soap and all that, all those other cleaners. This was sitting there, and I've never seen this at my Dollar Tree, and I've never used this before. Now, I do use the Armor All to, shine up my car on the inside, but I thought this was kind of neat. So it is a disinfectant, and there is 24 fluid ounces. So it is a good size. And for $1, I mean, that's a really good deal. Now, I will tell you that whenever I brought this home and I took it out of the bag, the lid had come loose. And so some of it did spill out. And it doesn't smell that great. I can say that. It doesn't smell that great, but it does say that it kills viruses and 99.9% of germs. So I guess if it kills the germs, then it's, I can deal with the smell. But anyway, I thought that was a really cool find at my Dollar Tree I've never seen before. Something else that's sort of random, but it is going to be used in a Christmas DIY that I'm going to be doing. But it is the tool bench duct tape that Dollar Tree carries. And I was needing some red. Now, they did have red that was just, plain red. But I thought this one was, I don't know, prettier. Looks more festive. So I went ahead and grabbed 3 rows of it. So it's like this red kind of like foil or, I don't know what that's called, holographic or whatever sort of designs on there. Anyway, I thought that was really pretty, so I grabbed 3 rolls of this. I'm hoping that it's going to be enough, but I don't know. We'll have to wait and see. Throw those down there. Sorry about that. Okay, so the next things that I found at my Dollar Tree. Now, I know I've seen other people haul these, but my Dollar Trees have never had these particular ones before. It is these boards, or I don't know what they're calling them, craft wood, I don't know, but these are pretty long, decent sized pieces of wood. I have hauled the ones that are a lot shorter than this, like the 6-inch. I think the biggest one that I have is like a 12-inch maybe. But anyway, this is the first time I've seen these, and so I went ahead and grabbed 3 of them because I may be using them for a DIY. I'm not real sure yet. But anyway, so I went ahead and grabbed these. Now, it doesn't say on the back how big these are. I know the other ones that I had, it did say the size, but this isn't telling me the size. But anyway, I thought these were pretty nice pieces of wood. I don't think I'm really going to have to sand it down much because it does feel like it's pretty smooth as it is. Now, I don't know if $1 is a good deal for pieces of wood like this. I've not priced lumber, so I really don't know. So you might be able to find this cheaper at Lowe's or Home Depot or something. I'm not sure. But anyway, I did grab 3 of those. I'm going to be doing a DIY, and I was needing some of the round, like the medium-sized ornaments, and I was really looking for white, and I couldn't find any white that was in this size. They had some white that was like the mini ornaments. So anyway, I'm hoping that maybe like these ones might work. So I went ahead and grabbed one of these, and these come in a tube, and you get 7 in a tube. This is the sort of rose gold and a goldish color ornaments, and then these have the red with the glitter, and then the other is like this sort of satin kind of finish on it. These are really pretty. Now, they did have these in different colors. They had silver, they had gold, they have this really pretty navy blue one. So, but anyway, I went ahead and grabbed these. And for that DIY, I'll probably be using one of these lighter color. I don't know. I hope it works out. If it doesn't, I may have to end up painting them. But we'll just have to see how that goes. So, there's those. Okay, so I don't need any more signs. When I was organizing my craft room and getting it, you know, sort of cleaned up and cleaned out, I did go through all my signs and I got rid of a lot of them. I gave them away. So I really don't need any more. But, I mean, if you can see behind me on my pegboard, this right here is just some of my wreath frames that I have. And then on this other side of my pegboard is all the signs that I have. And I have signs for every occasion, for each holiday, I should say. And most of them are from the Dollar Tree, but there are some that are from Hobby Lobby. But I seen these. I had to get them because I just think they are so pretty. And I did go to Hobby Lobby, and while I was there, I seen signs that were almost identical to these. Of course, they were a lot more than $1. But, you know, with Hobby Lobby, they're going to be a little bit better quality also. So anyway, I found these and I went ahead and grabbed them. So this one says, "It's a Wonderful Life." And then it's got this sort of faux wood, dark wood background. I think that is so pretty. And the wording on there, "Wonderful is raised." So anyway, I thought that was so pretty. And It's a Wonderful Life, that movie for Christmas, is probably, I would say it is in my top 5 Christmas movies. I would probably say it's my #1 favorite Christmas movie. And then I'd say my second favorite Christmas movie would be National Lampoon's Christmas Vacation. I think that's hilarious. But It's a Wonderful Life. If you guys have not seen It's a Wonderful Life, you're missing out. You should really go watch it. I swear I've probably watched that movie, I don't know, at least 100 times or more. And every time I watch it, it makes me cry. It makes me cry every time I watch it. Even though I already know, I almost know it word for word. But still, you guys just have to watch that movie. It has such a good message in it. So anyway, I thought of that movie when I seen this sign, and so I had to get this sign. I just love it. And then this one says, "It's the most wonderful time of the year." And I think this one is really pretty too. I love that sort of shiplap look in the back there. And then the word "wonderful" is raised. I don't know if you guys are going to be able to see that or not, but it is raised. So, and then it does have, each of them have the jute twine hanger for them. So anyway, I thought these were really pretty, so I had to get those. Let's see. Okay, so I'm going to be doing the little mini Christmas village using the Dollar Tree houses that you can get. And I'm just starting it this year, so I only have the 4 little ones that they have out this year. But I was needing some of the little people, and my Dollar Trees finally got some in. So I went ahead and I just grabbed 2 of each, just because even though they are the same sort of figurine, at least I'll have more people. So anyway, I grabbed 1 of each of these. I think these are so stinking cute. I just love this little farm truck and the little camper. I think that's so cute. So I did grab 2 of these. I actually grabbed 2 of these by mistake. I only meant to grab 1, but I grabbed 2. But that's okay. And then I did grab 2 of these. I think these are really cute. You've got this little kid here on an inner tube, sliding down a hill probably. Then you've got this other little kid sitting in a sleigh. He's just leaning back with his arms back. And then you've got this little stinker right here that has a snowball. And it looks like he's getting ready to throw that snowball at somebody. So I think that's so cute. So I did get 2 of those. And then I grabbed 2 of these. This one has, I love that little wagon there with the wood in it. And then you've got this guy here who's carrying the wood, probably loading it in his little wagon. And then you got this little kid right here. And he's just waving like, "Hey, mister, I'm just going to stand here and wave at you and not help you load your wood into your wagon. How rude. But anyway, I thought this was really cute. So I did grab 2 of these. And then Dollar Tree has these every year. And I don't remember if mine have had them in this size. But it is these Tinsel Trees. And these are sort of a... now, they're not giant by any means, but they are a bigger size. And I know that Dollar Tree does carry these in these smaller sized ones. But so anyway, I grabbed 3 of these because I'm going to be doing a DIY with them. And I didn't really care what colors that I got because I'm going to be undoing the tinsel off of here and doing something different. So anyway, this one is the red and the gold. And then this one is gold and it's got little bits of silver in it. I think that's so pretty. And then this one is just plain gold. So these are, I don't know, these are, you know, a pretty good size. They're probably, I don't know, 8 to 10 inches, I'd say, in height. So anyway, I thought that was a pretty good deal. So I did grab 3 of those. Excuse me, guys. Okay, so these 2 things are so cute. I don't think Dollar Tree may have had something similar to this last year, but they were in a very, very, like, teeny tiny size. I could be wrong, but I'm thinking that they did. But anyway, they had these, and these are so cute. I don't know if they have them in any other colors. I only seen these at one of my Dollar Trees, and these were the only 2 that they had to choose from. So I don't know if they have any other colors and designs or not. But so I went ahead and grabbed one of these red ones. And this one has a deer with like the forest in the background. And it does come with the LED light in there already. So I don't know if you guys can see that or not. I am so sorry. My allergies are just kicking my butt. So anyway... there's that one. I thought that was really pretty. So I grabbed one of the red ones and then one of the green ones. And this one has the Christmas tree on all the sides with that LED light in there. So I'm going to be doing something different with these. But I thought these were really cool. I've never seen anything like that before at the Dollar Tree. So I grabbed one of each of those. And then the last things that I picked up, guys... now, I don't know if Dollar Tree has carried these before or not. I don't think that they have, at least not at my stores. So this is the first time that I'm seeing them. And so I went crazy and I got one of every color. But it is these paint pens. I'm going to hold them up here and then I'll show you individually. But I went ahead and grabbed one of each color. There are several here. So these are by Crafter's Square. And it is the paint pen, and it's the broad line. It says it's ideal for wood, plastic, metal, and glass, and it's non-toxic. So I did go ahead and grab this sort of lavender or purple. It's a light purple color. So I thought that was pretty, so I grabbed one of those. Then I grabbed one of the pink ones. One of the gold ones. A silver. Now, I don't know if you want to call this, is it chartreuse? Is that the color of that really bright green? But to me, it looks green. Some people may think it's yellow, or may call it yellow. I don't know. To me, it's green. To me, it looks sort of like a really bright lime green color. So I grabbed that one. The black one. The white one, and then the blue. And this is sort of a light blue color. So I don't know if they have any other colors or if this was it. I mean, I would like to have seen red or maybe orange or maybe like a darker green color. I thought that would be nice. But anyway, I went ahead and just grabbed one of each of these. So I thought that was pretty amazing. I've never seen those at my Dollar Tree before. So anyway, that is the end of this haul, guys. I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. I hope you all are having a wonderful day. I wanted to thank you all for watching, and I'll talk to you all later.